So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can fix ghost touches on iPhone. So first of all, clean the screen of your iPhone. Look for any liquid or dust particle on the screen and then use a microfiber cloth like this one to clean it. Like this. Once done, unlock your phone. And now this should fix ghost touch issue. In case the issue is still not fixed, then update your iPhone to the latest version. For this, open the Settings app. Now here tap on General and then tap on Software Update. Now this will check for the update. If you see any update here, then install it. In case the issue is still not fixed, then force restart your iPhone. For this, go back to home screen. After this, press the volume up button, then press volume down button, and then press and hold this power button, like this. Keep holding the power button. Release the power button once you see this Apple logo. Once done, unlock your phone. And now this should fix the issue. In case the issue is still not fixed, then try resetting all the settings. Sometimes misconfigured settings can also cause this issue. So to fix it, reset all the settings. For this, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now here tap on General. Scroll down and then tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now here tap on Reset and then tap on Reset All Settings. And this will reset all the settings. So this is how you can fix ghost touches on iPhone. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.